All firewalls come with logging capabilities known as firewall logs. Firewall logs are records regarding how a firewall is responding to traffic. For instance, a firewall will allow or deny traffic based on predefined rules. A firewall log will display IP addresses and port numbers of source and destination, as well as other transmission control protocol, or TCP, and IP data. You'll recall we discussed packet captures in Module 1, but here's a brief review. A packet capture is stored in the .pcap format. A full packet comes with a payload, which is actually the contents, and a header, which actually includes the source and destination addresses of the packet. Nmap scan results come from an Nmap scan, which enables analysts to locate network hosts and services. This information allows an analyst to generate a map of the network. You may view Nmap's output both while a scan is in process and after scanning is complete. Besides the interactive display of scan results, Nmap also generates readable outputs to be stored in a file for analysis, with output results in XML and greppable format. You'll need to know what events in the Windows event log indicate a security breach. Normally, critical settings can't be changed by any user. Be mindful, only users with privileges can modify important settings. Since domain admins is a privileged group, if you discover one or more users have been added to this or any other privileged group, you need to check whether there is an approved request for change, or RFC. In the application log, event IDs 1000, 1001, and 1002 might indicate service disruption attempts. As such, keeping an eye on your business applications is a good habit to form. The clearing of event logs and changes in audit policy could indicate a malicious user has tried to erase evidence of wrongdoing. Be diligent. Events 4719 and 4739 could well indicate unauthorized modifications to the audit and account policies. The Syslog protocol does not have a standard messaging format. Some messages are in human-readable form, and some are not. Syslog servers need to be configured to respond to specific messages with alerts and alarms. In Syslog, facility denotes the source of a message on any particular system. Facility 0 refers to a kernel message, and Facility 11 to a file transfer protocol, or FTP message. Severity level indicates the level of importance. A message with a severity of 0 indicates an emergency. Severity 1 means there is a need for urgent action. It's a good idea to hold on to Intrusion Detection System, IDS reports, so you can analyze IDS results over a length of time. This analysis can give a clear sense of system activity during a particular period of time. IDS software can scan system log files to detect intrusion. However, log files contain a lot of information, so using a filter to scan only certain entries can save time. A port sniffing IDS examines network activity, and maintaining a number of IDS reports can truly enhance your understanding of the information systems environment. An SIEM tool must be capable of consolidating and correlating data across your information systems network. Detecting signatures of events, which resemble specific attacks, is an example of correlation. Many vendors offer SIEM tools with functionalities including data consolidation and log management, incident detection and reporting, as well as forensic search capabilities. An SIEM tool needs to be configured to highlight relevant security events in your network, which are always changing. You will need to keep abreast of network activities. If there is a change, create new rules or update existing rules so important trends and events are reported. The hope is this attention to the changing landscape may prevent you from having to examine a slew of unprioritized alerts. It's good practice to set relevant metrics for spotting and reporting overall risk. You may need to adapt your SIEM solution to be capable of verifying which incidents are harmless and which incidents pose a threat and need investigation and remediation. Effective log management makes it easier for analysts to comb the network from a single control panel. You need to query data in order to spot indicators of compromise, locate which users and systems have been infected, and generate a report for remediating these issues. Forensic analysis is an important part of SIEM analysis. In order to minimize harm, you must be able to parse log data for signs of malicious intent as soon as you receive an alert. The sooner you move to act on an alert, the better your chances are of thwarting a potential attack. Another tool is the packet analyzer or protocol analyzer, which is used to analyze network traffic. It's often used along with a sniffer. This tool presents data from a captured packet in a readable format, either in a summarized form with details of data, function, the OSI layer, and protocol. Packet analyzers are available from several vendors. Some commonly used packet analyzers include Wireshark, TCP dump, and Kismet. Protocol analyzers also monitor network performance. An effective protocol analyzer can pinpoint the most active network hosts, filter traffic, perform some types of data capture, quarantine host-generating errors, periodically assess network activity, define normal behavior, issue alarms when deviation in the network activities occur, monitor bandwidth usage, and test the state of cabling and all devices on the network. You need to ensure a packet analyzer is only used by those authorized to do so. This will potentially prevent an attacker from listening in on network activity, which, by the way, he can do if he manages to gain access to the network and then succeeds in running the protocol analyzer. Encrypting sensitive information moving across the network can help minimize the potential damage an attacker can cause. Effective use of an intrusion detection system, or IDS, can help protect your network from exploits. This tool monitors network activity and reports unusual events. There are open source and proprietary intrusion detection systems, or IDS tools. Various types of IDS tools include network intrusion detection systems, NIDSs, host intrusion detection systems, HIDSs, anomaly-based IDSs, signature-based IDSs, passive IDSs, and reactive IDSs. A resource monitor tool displays details of hardware. For example, CPU, disk, memory, network and software use in real time. Many network breaches attempts to gobble up resources, leading to prolonged downtime and service interruptions. Keeping an eye on resource availability is crucial when maintaining the integrity and availability of services. An effective resource monitoring tool enables you to watch for unusually high usage of servers and event spikes, including memory and CPU usage. The NetFlow Analyzer is a proprietary tool from SolarWinds. This tool enables you to analyze network traffic and forensics as well as monitor bandwidth. The NetFlow method was first developed by Cisco to collect IP traffic data and monitor network traffic. Traffic flow refers to packets in the same IP source, destination addresses, and protocol type. Remember, there are a number of commercial and open source NetFlow tools. Now let's go party!